Hi, welcome back to Bobsy's Corner. We're in Bobsy's kitchen, my kitchen, and I thought I'd bring you along while I did an air fryer pork tenderloin and veggies for my upcoming dinner prep. Let's get to it. So I am going to attempt to do this in my Ninja air fryer under the roasting feature. So let me turn that on, preheat to 375. There we go. And this actually calls to bake at 375 for 30 to 35 minutes in the oven. So let's see what happens in the air fryer. So I'm actually going to use this because I really don't want to mess up the container that's in my air fryer. So I'm going to attempt to do it in this aluminum pan. Okay, apparently it does have, I think, a little flap here. It does. I can actually open it up right there. Perfect. Yay. Easy peasy. So let's do this. I will pick this up, put it diagonally. Perfect fit. So when the air fryer is preheated, we will pop that in. Okay, so it says to add the food. Let's add the food. Well, it has that 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go with what the air fryer reads for roasting, so I'm gonna do the 15 and take the temperature and then gauge it from there. So this is almost done to the program timer. So once this goes off, I'm going to take its temperature and see where we're at. We need at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit for the pork tenderloin to be considered done. Alright, so let's see where we're at. Let me take the temp. It says to do it to the thickest part. So I'm in the thickest part. I need at least 145 degree temp. Let's see where we're at. I have a feeling we need to put it for an extra 5 minutes. Right now I'm at 105. Yeah, this is going to take a while. So I think I'm going to set it for another 5 minutes. And time. Let's see where that brings us. We'll be back. Okay, the smell is phenomenal. It smells really good. So let's try this again in the thickest part. Let's see where we're at. Oh, it's moving quicker this time. So we're at 121. We might just make it this time. Oh, I don't know. I just need 4 more degrees. 42. 145.3, and it's still climbing, so we are good to go. So let me pull this out. Hopefully I won't burn myself. There we go. Okay, that actually looks really good. It's got a nice crust on one end. Maybe I should have flipped it around halfway, but I just wanted to see what happens if I just leave it be. And it looks like it came out really good. So I'm going to cover. I'm going to let it rust and let the juices redistribute. And moving on to the veggies. So now, because I did this in my air fryer with the pan, I can use my pan to air fry my vegetables. So I think most of this meal is going to be done in my air fryer. So let's get to the veggies. Okay, let's get to chopping our veggies. I'm going to throw some carrots in here. I took some broccoli out of the freezer and ran hot water over it. Okay, let's get the seasoning. Again, I'm going to use my Buttery Steakhouse Kinder's seasoning. I forgot to spray it with my avocado oil spray. So I used my Kinders already for now. I have a garlic and herb seasoning blend here. I have some garlic powder. I have some onion powder. My pepper, ground black pepper. Spray some more. Mix some more. Okay, I'm gonna do timer. We're gonna roast it. I want to bring this up to maybe 425 degrees to start. And let's preheat the Ninja. Okay, time to add the veggies. I'm going to do it with the air fryer pan instead of the other pan. So there's air circulation. So let's see how this goes. Let me pull this forward. So I'm going to give it one final spray. And we will, it is set for, it was 15 minutes, but I think I'll check it at 10 maybe and stir it around and do it again. Okay, let's see what we have here. That smells really good. Let's move this forward so I can see. Okay, so while this is going, we're going to deal with the frozen mashed potatoes and get those set up into the takeout containers. 1 puck per serving. So based on some of my meal preps, you can guess that I try to go a little bit lighter on the carbs and heavier on the protein and the veggies. So what I want to do too is maybe put not quite a teaspoon or a tablespoon, but maybe a teaspoon of butter, a pat on there, just for flavor. So about a half a tablespoon, because there we go, it's about a half a tablespoon. And that will also add more flavor to the veggies. Okay, so it's done. So what I'm gonna do is start filling these up. Thank you once again for joining me at Babci's Corner in Babci's kitchen, my kitchen, where I meal prepped my upcoming week's dinner. And I hope to see you soon. Until next time.